I have been doing this AI imagery almost 3 years, and it is something that a lot of people, I'm constantly being called into groups of Tracey will know, Tracey will know. And when Nano Banana came out last week and I started using that, I was like, okay, everybody's been asking me to do a workshop. And a lot of what we were doing with Midjourney, it took a while to really get it to, somebody says that they'd never heard of SaaS-preneur before. So that means you're selling software. So that's a huge part of the business that I have. And I know there's some other people in here that are also SaaS-preneurs, and Dina is one of those as well. So we resell high-level software, and we're called SaaS-preneurs. But with the new onset of Nano Banana, so ChatGPT this past spring changed from, they have DALL-E, but they started their new Chat 4.0, and it made image making so much easier for people. And then with the whole Google's Gemini 2.5 Flash, which their code name is Nano Banana. When they came out with Nano Banana, it is a game changer. It is so easy to prompt things. But one of the things that I've still found is the better your frameworks are, the better it is going to be for making images. So what I'm going to try to do today is give you what good prompt structure looks like. I'm going to take you through ChatGPT, Nano Banana, and Midjourney, and we're going to make images in all three of the programs.